Intro music with FixZone logo.
Всем привет! Вы на канале FixZone.
Today we're going to show you how to zip files and folders on your Mac. It's a really useful skill to have. And hey, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, it really helps us out. Alright, let's get straight into it. Zipping files on a Mac is actually super simple. First, we need to select all the files and folders we want to zip together. For this example, I've just got a single folder sitting on my desktop. Now, once you've selected everything, right-click on the selected files or folders. A context menu will pop up. You're looking for the option that says Compress, followed by the name of your file or folder in quotes. So click Compress folder name. Give it a couple of seconds, and macOS will zip everything up into a single file. It'll automatically name the zip file the same as the original file or folder you zipped. Of course, you can rename this zip file just like any other file on your Mac. Just click on it, wait a beat, click again, and rename it to whatever you like. So now we've got our zip file. If you want, you can even delete the original files and folders you zipped, since they're all safely tucked away inside the zip file. Now to extract everything back out, just double-click the zip file. It'll automatically unzip the contents into the same location as the zip file. And that's it. We can now access the files and folders inside, use them as we normally would. And once you are done, and you have extracted everything and feel good about it, you can delete the zip file if you want to. So that's how you zip and unzip files on your Mac. Pretty easy, right? If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Outro music with FixZone logo and social media links.